Dude, that was awesome, man, honestly.
Yeah.
The driving experience is way cool.
What's up guys, Eric from Sonic. We got here the Shiftpower SP24. This is specifically for BMW vehicles and also the Toyota Supra that you see over here. The Supra here is very special one. It's one of only 100 Supras with a full Tom's body kit. They only made 100 of these. I think this is the only one in the US. So it's very, very special. So it's our honor to be able to install one of our SP24 Shiftpower Throttle Response Controller. We'll show you how easy it is to install this. It's all plug and play. Literally within minutes, you will change the way your car accelerates and you can have full control over acceleration pedal, whether you want to lock it for anti-theft or put it in valet mode, or if you want that extra boost of lower end response, this will do it for you. Comes with a really powerful app. I'll show you how that works later, but let's stop talking. Go inside the car and get this installed. Before we get our Shiftpower installed, we would need to go through a sequence to ensure that there's no signals going through the acceleration pedal, because if you unplug it while there's a signal going on, it's going to throw a check engine light. So to do that on a BMW or this Toyota Supra, make sure after a drive to get out of your car, lock it and unlock it, and that'll do it. Or you can also keep the driver's side door open and move the key fob where the car can't detect it, wait about 10 minutes, and you can go ahead and begin the installation. So once we've done that, let's go ahead and go inside the car. So we got our kit here, and let me show you the contents of this kit. In our Shiftpower Throttle Response Controller box, we have, of course, the user's manual. Keep the user's manual because on the front page of it, it'll have your password for your Bluetooth pairing. It has the plug and play harness that's already attached to the module. We also have our button. We'll connect the button to the rest of the harness right here. And you can route this to anywhere in your car because it has a 3M double-sided tape on the back side of it, so you can mount this anywhere inside your car. And it also comes with some zip ties to help you organize your wires. So let's get started. So I'm going to go inside here to the acceleration pedal. So in here, just grab a little pick. You grab something like this, or you can also grab like a very small flathead screwdriver. Let's go in here and just pop this out. Very easy, come out very easily. And in here, there's a T30, grab that T30 one, and let's remove it. There it is. And once that's removed, push the whole assembly up and then bring it out. So there's a hook there, so make sure you move it up. So once it's out here, this is where the connector is. The release lever is both on the top and the bottom, so squeeze both top and bottom, and while you're squeezing, you're going to pull out the connector. Okay, there. All right, there it is. And once you get it out, grab our harness. It will plug in. It will only go in, plug in one way, so like there's no way to make a mistake. I'll go in, this way it will. And then hear that snap, like a little click, you'll feel it. And then the other side will connect back to the acceleration pedal assembly. And once again, it's only gonna connect one way. There it is. Moving forward, and let's not forget to connect our button. Connect our button. It'll only connect one way as well, like so. All right, and let's place this pedal assembly back. Its original location. Okay. There's a little hook up here, so make sure you hook it on that correctly, and then push it down. All right, okay, there it is. And after it's done, let's screw the T30 screw back on. Make sure it's on there good. Let's plug it up. All right, so the difficult part is complete, and all we have to do is clean these cables up. We'll hide them and then route this button. All right, so we went ahead and routed our button. Here it is. We put it up here, and how we did it is first we pull this panel off. Just grab it here and just pull it towards you firmly. It's just only being held by clips, and the whole part will come off, and we sandwich the wire behind it, route it all the way down, put it behind this panel, and from here we will connect to the rest of the harness. I know we connected earlier, but we unplugged it just so it's easier to route it. And then from here, we're going to tuck all this in behind here. One thing you want to watch out for is you want to really make sure that none of the wires is around your acceleration pedal, because when you press on the acceleration, you don't want the wires to get caught. If it does get caught, you may not be able to push down all the way when you need to. So let's prevent that from happening. So let's tuck all this in. There it is, signed away. Let me just add one zip tie back there just to be certain. And I will remove this double-sided tape here and I'll stick it on right here. Make sure the surface is clean when you do it. This surface does look pretty clean, so I'm just gonna go for it. Push and hold it for about 1 minute. All right guys, we finished installing our shift power throttle response controller on this Toyota Supra, and let's turn on the car. All right, there it is. And let me just confirm everything is working as it should. So right now it's on off mode. I could tell with the button here. In addition to that, let me also show you how to set up the app. So first, you gotta make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and download the Shift Power app at the App Store. Go to search, type in Shift Power. There it is. And then we already have it downloaded. So let's open this. Once it's open, this is what you'll see. Select the car icon. Here it is, select that. And it's gonna ask you for the password. You will find that in this instructions manual. It's on the first page, there's a little sticker on it. If you ever lose this, it's on the module. If you can't access the module and you lose your instructions manual, email us, we'll show you how to get it. All right, so let me type this in, connected, select the car, Toyota Supra. All right, select your ear and accept. And to see it, you'll find this going up and down. There it is. So let's do some tests here. I'm keeping my RPM steady. So this increases. All right, so as you can see, the throttle response becomes higher as you bring it up here. For cars like the Supra, it's already a bit fast and responsive. So we want to change out the throttle curves. How you do that is go to this gear icon here, go to mode settings, and default is linear. This is good for heavier cars, trucks, gets you that instant throttle response. You also hit your wide open throttle faster. We're gonna use exponential. Exponential goes higher as you push the acceleration more. It uses the whole entire play of your acceleration pedal. So we like the exponential. And the recommended for daily driving is 25%. You can go higher if you're drag racing, or if you're at the track and you want more throttle response, you can make those changes. You can also change it in 1% increments if you want something in between. And you can go back to your settings and change the default if you wish. Okay, so when you jump into different modes, it'll jump into all the different defaults that you set up. And if you don't want to use the app, you can go to your button, press it. Every time you push the button, the modes will cycle through, just as you can see here. Pretty cool. And if you want to lock your throttle, you can lock it. So right here, I'm flooring my car, as you can see, but nothing's happening to the car. It's another layer of security that you can add to your car. Very, very useful when you're parking your vehicle at the airport for a few days. And if you're valeting your vehicle, you can also use this valet mode. This restricts the amount of acceleration to your vehicle. If you're at a valet, you can test this out. I'm flooring my car right now, and yeah, the car's not gonna go far. Typically, we recommend just keeping it like 30%. If you make it too low, they won't be able to drive fast enough, not even in the parking lot. So just keep it around 30%. You can also set up in the settings so that once you approach your vehicle, the car will automatically unlock if you're on the lock mode, or it'll automatically get out of the valet mode if you have the valet mode set up. And you go to safety, and you can change those settings here as well. And you can also adjust the illumination on the button as well. And if you are trying to save some gas, you can also place your vehicle in eco mode. This will give you less throttle response and also help you with gas mileage. But I'm sure most of you guys will be using this mainly for the throttle response more than trying to save some gas. All right, so now let's get the customer's reaction to shift power. All right, guys, so we're in the vehicle now. We got the car owner here, D. He's gonna be driving his Supra, and well, let's hear what he thinks about our shift power throttle response controller. I'm gonna be in control of the mode. Where am I putting my phone actually? Oh yeah, it's in my yeah, right now it's turned off. So we're going to start off with something mild at 25%. That's dynamic mode. That's the mode that most of our customers keep it at for daily driving, because you don't want to be too you don't want your car launching at every single stoplight. So let's try with that, and then yeah, let's make a left turn here and let's go on the street.
Let's do it.
And we'll go out here and make a left turn.
Oh damn, I feel it.
Feel it?
Yeah. Throttle response is crazy.
And this is just at 25%.
Wow, that is insane.
And what mode are you on the car?
Sport mode.
Sport mode, okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it what you usually drive it on?
Yeah.
We're gonna try this, and then later we'll try the race mode.
Oh my God.
All right. Wow.
Dude, that's sick. Damn, that thing is responsive.
Man, your car pulls.
Jeez, that wasn't even like me getting on it either. Wow, I'm like blown away.
If you ever sell your car, you could remove it, take it with you.
I'm not giving this thing up.
Yeah, you gotta keep this forever, man.
This is crazy, man.
For a lot of these newer vehicles, they use drive-by-wire, so it's no longer like straight cable. So a lot of times when you press the accelerator, like you lose a little bit of that pedal feel right off the bat. So this helps with that too.
Yeah, definitely. This thing is like instant. You know, like it's so responsive. It is crazy to me. I'm at a loss for words, dude. It's polar different. It's not even slightly different.
Right?
It's completely different.
It is. People say a car drives like a different car, like a brand new car.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Don't push it yet. Okay, ready? I'm gonna switch it. This race right there.
Damn. Okay. Oh my God.
I like that blow-up valve.
Yeah, it is so responsive, dude. That's the thing to me.
This is on race mode.
Right.
You'll typically not keep it on race mode. That's because it becomes, car just wants to go too much.
Right.
You'll see that, but if you're...
I feel it.
Yeah, just a little bit like,
That's like one toe.
I don't know if you're...
I'm like feathering.
If you're gonna like drag race it, it helps for drag racing. But for the most part, you're gonna keep it on
25.
Yeah, it's 25.
25 is crazy already, dude. Yeah, I can definitely, because I drive the car so much, I can feel it. There's absolutely no lag. I mean, if there is anything, I definitely can't feel it.
Let's keep going, and I'll change it back to your factory so you'll remember how it was before.
Okay. Remember how, just to know how good I've got it?
Yeah.
Okay, the car, it makes me feel like I'm coming out of a dig. Like it's just, I feel like I've got all the power right there.
And for turbo cars especially, it helps the car go into boost faster.
Okay.
So you'll feel the turbo kick in faster too.
That's what I'm feeling.
Yeah.
Got it. Got it.
All right. So I'm gonna turn it off, and now we're back at the factory.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's white. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. See, like even at the light now, just revving it.
Yeah.
I can feel it.
Yeah.
I can feel it.
It's like a little dead spot, like right when you push it. You probably didn't notice it before.
No. Yeah. There is a dead spot.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What the hell?
See, it's like off the bat. It's like there's that lag. It's like. Yeah, it needs a little bit of buildup. You feel that, I don't know if you call it a turbo lag. And then let me go back to your 25% dynamic. So do that. Right there.
Instantly.
It just goes.
Instantly. And you can switch between the different settings while the car's rolling?
Yes, you can change it while the car's rolling.
Okay.
Yeah. No, it will cause no problem at all.
This is way more fun to drive.
Yeah, very simple install. You're not doing anything to your engine or anything. It's just a very simple plug and play, and it's a pretty big difference.
Dude, I'm blown away, honestly, in like the best way possible. I mean, even without like trying to like get on it, it just makes you feel good driving it.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
Like I don't have to like mash on it, just chilling, coming out of that right there. That was so cool. Like I want to be able to feel my car, and this makes me feel my car.
Do you recommend it for other Supra owners?
Hell yeah. Yeah? Hell yeah. I mean, I can't believe I was missing out on this. 3 years of ownership, and I didn't know that it could drive like this. And I told you it's tuned. but still, like I feel like this is like the icing on the cake.
Yeah, and because you could change it on the go too, like right away. The functions that I went over with you earlier, not only does it give you more throttle response, you can have with a mobilizer, so when you park your car, another layer of security, and put it in valet mode.
So clutch.
I don't know if you'll ever want to valet this car, but if you ever do, if you had no choice, then you know.
Maybe when I want to give it to like a lady friend or something, I don't trust them.
Yeah.
You gotta prove it to me in valet mode. I almost can't wait to take it out in the canyons and see what a canyon response is like.
You can play around with these other modes too later. Some people do. This is sport right now.
And that's crazy because I noticed that gain too, just an extra 25%.
Yeah.
You notice it.
Yeah.
I think that's thoughtful too, that you guys in increments of like 25. Also, given that I can change that.
Yep, you can change it. You could drag your finger 1% increments.
That's so sick.
Yeah, because depending on the car and also your driving habits, like some people change it. Some people drive it on race mode on daily. It's crazy. It's like you drive it on race. It's like wow.
I can see myself doing that if I wasn't going far. Maybe just getting something for the house real fast.
Yeah. And some customers, they say they just get so used to the throttle response at 25%, they feel like they want more later.
Yeah.
So they'll end up bringing a little bit at a time. Next thing they know, they're like driving a race all the time.
The 25 is great out of the box, man.
Yeah.
It's great out of the box.
Yeah.
I mean, for someone like me with the tune, I noticed it immediately, and I noticed what my tune was probably missing.
Oh, yeah. And we do have a lot of customers who have a tune who also uses this together. That was fun.
Dude, that was fun.
Yeah. Your car's fast though.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, I like how the turbo feels. It like pulls, right?
It does throw you back. Yeah. That's why I was like, I want a conservative tune because it already scares me. That's traction control on.
Yeah. Oh, no, man.
Dude, that was awesome, man, honestly.
Yeah,
the driving experience is way cool.
Sweet. Man,
yeah, no, I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, no, likewise. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Yes.
Absolutely,
Sweet.
man.
Cool.